Hi guys, do you want to do easy highlights at home? It's easy. Let me show you how. I will be using Bigen's new powder lightener in a 16-ounce tub. And the great thing about this product is that it lifts 8 levels and all you need is a 20 volume peroxide. I love this long handle. It makes it easy to scoop powder and not get any on my hands. 1 part Bigen powder lightener. Now add 2 parts 20 volume peroxide. Oh my goodness, I love this easy squeeze bottle. There's no harsh fumes or odors. It really smells like raspberries. Here's where I did a strand test. This is just after 10 minutes with 20 volume peroxide. It's amazing. Now I'm going to continue lightening using just my fingers. You want to make sure you keep your highlights at least a half an inch apart, and make sure that you try and stay at least a 1/16 of an inch away from your scalp, okay? I'm back. After completing my application with Bigen Powder Lightener, I toned my hair with Bigen Semi-Permanent Hair Color. This is light brown, and as you can see, my hair has so much body and shine. I didn't have that before. And look at these highlights. They're amazing. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video, and I highly recommend you try this product. You all have a great day.